Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Judith Ifeoma, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you 5 steps on how to make a smooth career transition from front-end development to product design. As a front-end developer, you have a skill set that can be valuable in the product design field. In addition, you have a solid understanding of problem solving and user experience, which are both significant components of a successful product. So if you're a front-end person interested in making a career shift into product design, this video is for you. As someone who have made a career transition myself, I can tell you that it's definitely doable, but it does require a bit effort and willingness to learn new skills. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. The first step in transitioning to product design as a front-end person is to evaluate your existing skills and identify areas that need improvement. Take a moment to assess your current skills and what aspect of design you're already familiar with. For example, you may have experience in user interface design or may even have a strong sense of aesthetics. Recognizing your strength can help you identify areas where you need to focus your learning effort. As a front-end developer, you probably have experience with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. However, product design requires additional skills such as user research, wireframing, visual design, prototyping, user testing, and more. Product design is not all about designing beautiful interfaces. It also requires a deep understanding of product strategy and design thinking. And finally, based on your assessment, this will help you build a realistic goal for your learning path. Step 2. Once you identify your knowledge gaps, start learning the basics of design. Understand basic design principles, as this will help you lay a strong foundation. There are many online resources out there, tutorials, books, courses that can give you the foundation you need. And you can as well make use of popular platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even YouTube to learn. This will help you build a solid foundation of knowledge and skill to succeed in the design field. Step 3. Now that you've learned the basics, it's time to apply what you've learned so far by building a strong portfolio. This is important for every design person. Your portfolio should showcase your product design skills and experience. As you build your portfolio, add your best work and emphasize your understanding of design principles, user research, and design thinking. If you don't have a project to show, consider working on a side project or even solving a problem within your community. This allows you to build your skills and create projects to add to your portfolio. Then make use of platforms like Behance, Dribbble to share your work and get feedback from the design community. Step 4 is networking. Networking is very important when moving into a new career field. Joining the design community provides valuable insight, guidance, and potential job opportunities. Find design meetups, workshops, and conferences close to you, and also join online communities like Behance, Dribbble, Usable, or even local communities close to you to connect with experienced product designers. Participate in discussions, get feedback on your work, and learn from the experiences of others in the industry. And finally, actively search for product design opportunities while building your skills and network. Start by updating your resume and highlighting relevant design skills and experience. Look out for job sites like LinkedIn, We Work Remotely, Ideate Labs to apply for entry, junior, and intermediate product design positions. Do not forget to leverage your existing front-end development background as a unique selling point, emphasizing your ability to understand the technical aspect of implementation. And remember, it's a journey that requires continuous learning, practice, perseverance. So do not be afraid to explore the existing world of product design. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more career related content, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you.